Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Misbah. I'm the Chief Intensivist, Parul Sevashram Hospital ICU, and this is Dr. Ronak. She is my colleague and intensivist here. And we are here to talk a bit about the second wave of the COVID pandemic. This time we've seen a lot of young patients affected, and we have treated more than 100 patients from various age groups, even patients as young as 24 and 25 years old to patients as old as 90 years old. And we are happy to say that we have successfully treated many young and old patients alike, and we have been able to wean many sick and critical patients off the ventilator, and we've successfully discharged so many of these patients, and we are very happy with the results that we have achieved with the help of all the basic critical care knowledge that we have, and with the help of newer drugs which have become available in the market, which have achieved very good results in this second wave.
મારું નામ અમિતભાઈ મનસુખભાઈ મોરજરિયા, હાલ બરોડા રહું છું અને મારું જૂનું ગામ જામનગર છે. અત્યારે 26 તારીખની આજુબાજુ 26 તારીખે જ મને કોરોના પોઝિટિવ આવ્યો હતો. તો ત્યાંથી મેં પારુલ સેવાશ્રમ હોસ્પિટલમાં હું 3-4 વાગ્યાની આજુબાજુ આવ્યો, જ્યાં મારે ઓક્સિજનની જરૂર પડી, કારણ કે ઓક્સિજન વગર રહેવાય એમ હતું નહીં. શ્વાસ થોડો વધારે ચડતો હતો. ત્યાર પછી જનરલ વોર્ડમાં હું એડમિટ થયો. થોડું મને ઓક્સિજન આપવામાં આવ્યું, પણ એનાથી મને રિકવરી હતી નહીં કાંઈ. સાંજના ટાઈમમાં 9 વાગ્યાની આજુબાજુ મને ઓક્સિજનની થોડી વધારે જરૂર પડી. તો સાહેબ કોઈ આવ્યા હશે જોવા માટે, ત્યારે મને એને એમ કહી દીધું કે ભાઈ આને આઈસીયુમાં શિફ્ટ કરવો પડશે. પછી મને આઈસીયુમાં શિફ્ટ કરવામાં આવ્યો. આઈસીયુમાં શિફ્ટ કર્યા પછી મને બાયોપેક ઉપર રાખવામાં આવ્યો. બાયોપેક ઉપર રાખવામાં આવ્યો ત્યાર પછી મને કમસે કમ 7-8 દિવસ રાખવામાં આવ્યા. અત્યારે મને પરફેક્ટ છે, સારું છે, બહુ સારું છે, નો ડાઉટ. આમાં ડૉક્ટર સાહેબની ટીમ છે, બસ આશીષ સર છે, પછી પિયુષ સર છે અને નિકુંજ સર ડૉક્ટર સાહેબ, બરાબર છે. આપણે ભગવાન જ કહી શકીએ ને કે આજે મારી પોઝિશન જ એવી હતી કે મને જવાનું હતું મારે કઈ દિશામાં, અને પાછો મને કઈ દિશામાં લઈ આવ્યા. એટલે આમાં કોરોના છે, જો બીસો તો થોડી તકલીફ વધારે થશે, નહીં બીઓ તો બહુ સારું થશે.
In this COVID pandemic, we have seen many patients suffering from severe respiratory distress, and we have seen a range of patients starting from patients on mechanical ventilation, on invasive ventilation to non-invasive, and also on oxygen mask therapy. And we have managed these patients with antivirals, antibiotics, anticoagulants, and optimal dose of the steroids.
मेरा नाम अरविंदर राजपन है, मैं केरला से हूँ. अभी फिलहाल मैं समा में रहता हूँ. अभी 26 तारीख को मुझे कोरोना हुआ था. 2 दिन के बाद पारुल में मुझे लाया गया. पहले जनरल शिफ्ट में शिफ्ट किया था. 2-3 दिन उतर रहा, फिर उसका बाद में आईसीयू में शिफ्ट हुआ था. उधर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था, बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा था, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स स्टाफ बहुत हेल्प किया.
To treat a patient, a COVID patient successfully, the successful management falls into 3 categories. The first category is the medication. The second category is where you are constantly monitoring the patient for complications. You are able to identify the complication at the right time, and you are able to treat it. Like we are having patients who've had spontaneous pneumothoraces, which we have identified on time, and we have put an ICD and the patient has survived. So that's the second category where you are looking for, where you are monitoring carefully, finding the complication and treating it. And the third and the most important category, which I would say is the most important for the management of COVID patients, is counseling, where you are constantly encouraging the patient to be positive, to look ahead to the future. It is very difficult to tolerate a non-invasive ventilator for more than 24-36 hours. It's physically painful and it's claustrophobic. But I would say patients who have kept their faith and kept their mental strength have been able to survive this. and we have tried our best. Ultimately, it's the patient's strength which wins, but physical and mental both. But we have tried our best. We've counseled them, and we've also counseled families to the best of our ability. Because when families feel positive, they transmit that to the patient as well. Because when they talk to their patients, to their family members on the phone, if the family is positive, then the patient also feels very encouraged. And we have a team of excellent medical officers, and they, I think, have played even a more pivotal role in this part of the in all parts of the management of the COVID patient, especially the counselling part, where they've constantly encouraged patients to stay positive and look to the future. So this is our 3-category formula for managing COVID patients.